Good morning. Hey, we're out in the garage today. We're making our Jeep more patriotic. It's the American thing to do. So we've got a Jeep TJ. It's an '01. It's from Texas. Texas is a patriotic state. And we have these, which we are going to put on the rear tail lights. It's 4 simple screws and a few spacers. It'll be easy to do. It's a good do-it-yourself, quick project. 5 minutes and you're done. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about what comes in the kit. You get 2 of these to put on your tail light. You get screws and spacers right there. You can see them in the box. First thing you have to do is take the old screws out. You put the screw in the hole, put the spacer on the screw. That's how that works. Gotta stick it behind here. Start with your top screws. That makes it much easier. Put that through here. Drop this down through here. The screw will start in the hole. You can see it easy. And you can put your screwdriver on it. Just don't tighten it up. Just bring it lightly snug, because you can do the next one. Kind of put your screw through the hole a little bit, get your spacer on, get it up there. Again, just get it started, don't tighten it up. Bottom ones are a little trickier. You gotta watch your spacers bounce around a little bit. Gotta get the spacer up behind there and catch it with the screw like that. Then you've got to look through there, get your screw in the hole. And lightly start it. One more go. Then you got to come in here. Now you got them all in. Bring them tight. Now don't over tighten them. You can strip them pretty easy. It's only a steel screw and plastic, all right? All right, we're on. Let's turn on the lights and see what they look like. Well, look at that. Thumbs up. It works. It looks nice. You can see it good when it's blinking. We'll shut the blink off and you can see it again. All right, there you go. You can kind of see it with the light on. Doesn't that look sweet? All right, now there's a simple patriotic project for your Jeep. So don't forget, like and subscribe. You'll get more of my YouTube videos soon as you can. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Like and subscribe. I'm building a channel here that could just show all kinds of neat projects you either do on your Jeep, your Explorer, your boat, your house. We're going to post all sorts of stuff. So sit back, enjoy, and find a project you'd like to do yourself.